This is a cool skill, a new project that I have been wanting to do, and I have failed at it so much in the past. Yeah. I can't do that without hands. Any worms yet? Do not see the worms yet. No, I do not. I haven't really gotten the rhythm of raising rabbits here yet. We've had these guys for probably 3 weeks, maybe a month. So one of the things I'm doing right now is we had that really cold front come in, for Texas at least, where it was 24, low of 24s at night for like 3 days straight. That's cold for us here in Texas. So Kelly wanted to give them a big bedding of hay, and they kind of were able to get warmer and to kind of burrow a little bit in there, which worked great. This is some greens that I just picked around, some ryegrass and some other kind of, I think that's thistle. You need to get the automatic water set up. I just don't have a way to make it high, and I need to be able to move this back. So there's lots of things.
I got bunny.
You did that for the bunny? I don't know what she's talking about. All right, sure. Finley! Let me show you this. I'll show you the bunnies, the babies. You can see them. They have gotten so big. And this is, I don't remember them getting this big this fast. Oh, their eyes are starting to open. That's so cool. Kelly is gonna be so excited when she gets home. No, that is so cute. This guy, or girl, he's black. We never had a black one before. These guys, yep, gotta do that just because they're not giving us any purpose. We might figure out something. We might, I don't know where he went.
He's under the...
We might keep that guy and breed him. Come on, big boy. Oh, gee, man. Well, don't wave a dead cat microphone in front of your Rottweiler pup. That was a dumb idea. Leave it. I want to do some things kind of cool. Let me know if you are interested in this. Chip, get out of here. No, move. Move. We, especially now that we are here in the country, there's no stores anywhere. We do buy everything so much from Amazon, and it works great. It comes here easy. We still get the Prime 2-day shipping. Even though that we're in a small town of 5,000, Amazon works awesome. So I'm gonna share y'all all of our Amazon goodies whenever we get something. Chip, I don't wanna slice your face off. I think something like this is for Chip, and he's not gonna like it. Alrighty. All right, so the first thing, get your big mug out of my face. Go. You know what, dude? I'm gonna do it. Come here, cause this is for you. Yes. This one is for you, dog. It is an Amazon recommended leash. Ooh, this is really soft. It's squishy. We need a leash for Chip. The one that we had was like this little choke collar thing, and it did not work. I got it because really I didn't know how big he was going to be whenever we did get him. It just wasn't all that great. Let's see how easy this is. Oh my goodness, that is such a cinch. And he hates the leash. He like seriously hates the leash. And this is going to buy me a little bit of time letting him run around with that. Okay, here's the next one. These two have nothing to do with each other. Literally, they have zero to do with each other. This is a cool skill, a new project that I have been wanting to do, and I have failed at it so much in the past. And I am not gonna fail. I am going to figure out how to do this thing. And I went ahead and bought this while Kelly was out of town, so sorry, babe. If you don't like it, then, well, I have failed very often at creating a sourdough starter. So I have failed, and you've seen videos up here of me completely failing at making sourdough. That day is ending because I have a cool new recipe that I'm excited to try. And I think I got the right container, because I think the thing that we messed up the first time was we were not having a very good container. I watched old YouTube videos. Chill out, dog. I have this big giant, this is a, who makes this? It's by Ricola? Ricola. What?
Simmons, Swanson? Samsonite. I was way off. I knew it started with an S though.
Okay, so I can take that off. Okay, cool. So this is a flip top jar, and I think the good thing is I can put it on like this, and it still, I think, gives a little bit of breathing out of here. Because I did realize that whenever you're making sourdough, or at least I heard that you were making sourdough, and, oh man, I did get the 1.5 liter. Hey, I should have gotten the 2 liter. I'm gonna put the link for the 1.5 and the 2 liter down here. Maybe I couldn't find the 2 liter. I'm not really sure. Maybe it wasn't on Prime, but I think this should be good for what we need. It's still 1.5 liters. You have the O-ring for freshness. I'm gonna step back away from the beast. So you can put the O-ring on for freshness if you're storing stuff, so that it's a nice airtight. I just want to feel with that lid. Oh yeah, that sucker is. That is on there tight. Or you can take the O-ring off. Back up. Or you can take the O-ring off and give it a little bit of ventilation, because I think that's what I'm gonna do with the sourdough, because I have heard that if you do sourdough right and it gets really active, that this could become a small bomb. Stop eating my camera. Stop it. Dog. Go, puppy. You go. Ah. No, you're gonna break everything. I'll put the links down below, and yes, they are Amazon affiliate links. You can buy them with those links or not, but just click it, check it out. I'm gonna do that from now on. Whenever we buy something from Amazon, I will show you what we're getting, and I will let you have the links for it so that you can check it out. I'm gonna take this dog for a walk. Sit. Yep. Also, if you're a trainer in Central Texas, or if you just know about how to train dogs, you know a little bit about dogs and Rottweilers, or if you're wanting to start a business and you need free marketing, please let me know, because I need you. Need a trainer. Please let me know. Come to my house, or I'll bring him to you, and we can figure this out. Come on, Chip.
Chip. Wait, just let me get my boots on, man. It's Monday, the best day of the week, because we get to go live with you guys and talk about oils. So make sure you don't miss tonight's Better Together Life Live, talking essential oils.
Look at that face.
Chippy, you can't jump on it. Well, that was successful.